What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, I know you guys remember this car. Ladies and gentlemen, Brian's car is, it's not done.
Not completely done.
It's not done, but for all intents and purposes,
Yeah.
it's ready to rock. Yeah. So we are sitting in the 2016 GT seats. Little crotch shot for you. There you go. And man, crank windows. I love it, dude. Manual mirrors.
Yeah, not easy.
The interior looks great. Totally digging it. How you pretty impressed with it so far? Enjoying it?
Yeah. Got a few issues to deal with. But
Right.
Just, I got a little roar in the rear end, but I had an old rear end though.
Yeah.
You're dealing with somebody else's work. It's just what you get. So.
Oh man. Heck yeah. Got the Dakota cluster right there.
Awesome.
She's good. Alright guys, so if you're not familiar with Brian's car, his is a 2011 motor. 2013 truck engine. It's still got the truck cams in it. Basically stock. You got 2014 Mustang manifolds.
Yes.
You actually made those work.
That's
so
right.
he didn't do the long tubes. It's got they're kind of like factory headers. Which they're a pretty good design, really.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. 6R80, what gear's in the rear end?
It's 410.
410 rear end. And, you know, it's like, it's literally just cruising along. You can hear how quiet it is. And this thing, it's just smooth as silk. It's like driving a new car.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're still in a foxbody, so you still get those rattles and all that stuff. But, I mean, where else can you have the kind of power this car has? Which we'll hit it here in a minute. You can see how fast these things are, but it's just crazy driving around in a fox body like this with this much power, and it's so friggin' docile.
It's stupid power to think that this is a truck motor.
Right.
But when it's used to hauling, I don't know what the truck weighs, but I would say twice what this thing weighs.
Oh, trucks.
It's a 3,000 pound car, and it's used to pulling around a 7,000 pound truck.
Exactly.
And it's ridiculous the power. When you hit it, you need to be ready for it. That's for sure.
We're gonna make a trip to Mexico here in a minute. We'll let you get a few hits in so you can see it. But this thing is so much fun. Just throw it and drive and just roll. It's amazing. All right, guys, you can see what this thing do when you drop it down. God almighty. Jeez. That was 100 in about 4, 5, 6 seconds.
Not long.
Man, I thought it was going to go sideways on us for a second.
It was pretty hard.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all. So, man, this car runs really good. And for no more than, it's got done to it, it's got so much potential. And you think about it, if you'd have built a 347, dude, heads, cam, intake, roller rockers, throttle body, all that stuff, it still would not be this fast.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, it's just crazy to think, because we both had those combinations,
That's right.
and
I've been a push rod guy forever.
yep,
Until I rode in one of these. I'm not dogging the push rod. I love a push rod motor. Nothing like that sound or whatever. But the reliability and to get in it and get 20 miles to the gallon and drive it to Nashville or Memphis or whatever. And then if somebody were to pull beside you in Mexico or wherever you're at, and you drop the hammer on it, the odds are you're going to walk off.
Oh, yeah.
You're going to suck the paint off somebody's vehicle.
Yeah, it's wild.
It's the real deal.
They're so much freaking fun. Like, I was driving my car out today, and you can just kind of lug it down, low speed. And before, like when I had the big cam and all that, the car would buck and do everything else. And that's, again, if you want a driver's car, especially with a lot of power and a lot of reliability, you can't beat it. You really can't. time getting Brian's car out, and it's kind of cool, like having it out of the shot, to kind of see it come together finally after.
Took a minute, but what we got.
Dude, any build is gonna take a while. I mean, they're never gonna be done, so
that's right.
Is what it is. Yeah. Like, what other plans you got for this thing?
You know, in the future, we're gonna probably put maybe a blower on here. That's the future. You know, it's just money. Yeah. You know, you do what you can do. Yeah. You know, you just do what you can do. Yeah. And just like it is, I'm completely happy with it. Yep. And it's plenty fast.
Yeah, it's plenty fast.
Who don't like to go faster? But, you know,
it is. So you guys got to see it kind of come together on the channel. Saw it from nothing to driving and running, which I always think that's super cool. Yeah. I love it.
Sure. I can roll it out straight and go that way.
Greg, you ready to get this thing done, ain't you? It's been a while since we've seen it too.
Yeah, it's ordering parts and getting ready and getting it cleaned up and.
Got the Explorer wheels, man. That's ready.
That's thanks to over there.
That's hot, dude. Yeah. I think I'll just leave them.
Yeah. Try smoke some.
You want me to put parts? You know, put the boxes and stuff in my truck and bring them over.
Yeah, she's ready.
How clean this trunk is, man. Look at that. What's such a
dang.
It'll make it good.
Yeah, she's solid.
Yeah, that's what a cat is, huh?
Right.
It's just a few things that's like, you know, you just kind of feel like you're cheaping out sometimes.
Hey, ain't no way to cheap out doing this swap.
It's huge now. You know what's killing me the most?
And it's clean too.
That's what's killing me. It's that's the biggest thing.
Manual mirrors.
It just has so much dust on it and stuff.
Man, it's awesome. Another swap done. If you're at Ford Takeover, which you definitely should be, you get to see Brian's car there, and it's gonna be an awesome time. It's gonna be like swap central at Ford Takeover. It's gonna be crazy.
Takeover it's gonna go down the track.
Oh man, so I'm ready. I'm ready for mine to go down the track too. So
we'll have to see what to do.
It's gonna be crazy, definitely. All right, guys. So that is what is up. Brian's car is done. You got to see some burnouts, some flybys, some cruising. It's a lot of fun. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and do like Brian did and I did. Go build your beast. Later.